Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of What Does This Mean? Well, it turns out that the root word meter means something to do with distance. I don't know if you can tell that by looking at this, but look, they're measuring the distance from here to there. So meter means a measure of distance. Now, a meter is actually the base unit measurement of distance in the metric system. And the metric system is used out of the United States of America all over the world, so it would be a good idea for us to learn how to use it. In this case, we have the kilometer, which kilo means 1,000, and meter is a measure of distance. So a kilometer is basically 1,000 meters. Now, I don't know if you've seen a meter stick before, but it's roughly the size of a yardstick. It's like taking all those meter sticks that you use in the classroom and stacking them end on end until you got 1,000 of them. Then that gives you a kilometer. Pretty crazy. They actually use that instead of miles all over the world. And then we got thermometer. Well, if we break it apart, therm means heat. Meter still means a measure of distance. So a thermometer is measuring the heat based off of the distance the little red fluid rises or falls in that there mechanism, so the thermometer. And then we got diameter. Well, diameter refers to, dia, I should say, means across or through, and meter means a unit used to measure distance. So, a diameter refers to the distance across the very center of a circle. That's your diameter. And now we have the challenge card. Speedometer. Speed, how fast is it? Meter, a measure of how fast you're going. In this case, 60 miles per hour. Y'all need to calm down. What about odometer? Odo meaning path or journey. Meter meaning measure. Measure of distance. So, we're measuring how far your journey or path has been. In this case, you have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 miles. Or 123,456 miles. That is what I call road tripping. Then we got seismometer. Seiso, or meaning earthquake. Meter means measure. Measure of the distance. Probably you're shaking back and forth. Ooh, it's the Great American Shakeout. And then finally, we have the centimeter. Also part of the metric system, centi means 1/100th. Therefore, you're taking a meter stick and you're cutting it into 100 pieces, and each of those pieces is a centimeter. I do hope this discussion has been helpful to you. Best of luck to you, and we'll see you in the next one.